How to change the clock format on your Android lock screen. First of all, you have to open up the Setting app on your Android phone. You have to scroll down and tap on the display. Once you have tapped on the display, you have to look for the lock screen option. Just scroll down and look for the lock screen option. So once you have find the always on lock screen option here, you have to tap on the clock start. Just go for the lock screen clock format. And the lock screen clock format is applied from the theme. So if here you have to just go back, if you want to change your clock format on your Android screen, you have to just go and tap on the theme option. Just go. Once you have tapped on the theme option, here you will find the varieties of setting of these varieties of clock format here. You can see that. After that, you can go and download that and apply it on your lock screen. So this way you can easily change the clock format on your Android lock screen like this. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.